head gasket, Tata 1518 model. There is a problem of white smoke. Cylinder 4, cylinder 3. Please look at this. Cylinder 3. The ring is outside of the cylinder. Very heavy vehicle. Only 69,000 kilometers is running, and the engine is white smoke produce. That's the main problem.